Sanbona, welcome to Zulu language lessons with Zulu Mama. In today's lesson, we'll be learning about different times of the day in isiZulu, whether it's morning, afternoon, evening, or night. You'll know exactly what to say. Stay till the end for a fun quiz. Let's get started. Times of the day. Izikhathi zosuku. Ekuseni means morning. This is the time when the sun rises and people wake up. Do you still remember how to greet? You wake up and greet by saying Sawubona mama, which is hello mom or good morning mom. Or you can say Sawubona baba for dad. Please watch this video above to recap. NgesiZulu ke esiqinile sithi ukuphuma inhlazana ekuseni. Lapha ke kusuke sekusile nenhlavu yelanga seyiphumile. Sekuphuma inkomo seziyokweluswa. Isikhathi ke lesi la wonke umuntu usuke sevukile qinqo ekuseni. Please try and say it with me. Ekuseni. And I'll just give you a quick example of a sentence. Ngiphuza itiye ekuseni. And that means I drink tea in the morning. Ekuseni is morning. Emini bebade, and we usually shorten it into emini. Emini means at noon. This is when the sun is up and it's around lunchtime. Emini ke akukho okutheni usuke uqhubeka nemisebenzi yakho yasemini, kodwa ke ukubona ngokuthi isithunzi sibe ngaphansi kwakho. Emini. Please say it with me. Emini. Emini. And I'll give you an example again. Sizohamba emini. We will go at noon. Emini. Emini. Try and practice too. Ntambama means afternoon. This is when the sun is still shining but slowly getting lower in the sky. And the time is after lunch. Lapha ke sithi libantu bahle ngoba usuke usugoqa yonke imisebenzi yakho yasemini, akekho umuntu usuke engagezile ngalesikhathi, wonke umuntu usuke emuhle. It's ntambama. Say it with me. Ntambama. And a sentence example is ngidlala ibhola ntambama. I play soccer in the afternoon. Kusihlwa means evening. This is when the sun sets and people start preparing for a night. Ke thina kwakuthiwa emakhaya umuke walate uyokha amanzi, usuphuthuma ugijima ukha amanzi, kuthiwa hayi sekuhlwile, angeke asangena kwasendlini lawo manzi akho. So konke okumele mawukwenze usuke usuqoqaqoqile, usulungisela ukuthi ke sekusondele isikhathi sokulala. Kusihlwa. Please say it with me. Kusihlwa. And the sentence example is ngibuka umabonakude kusihlwa. Ngibuka umabonakude kusihlwa. I watch TV in the evening. Ebusuku means night. This is when it's dark and people go to sleep. Ebusuku ke kusuke sekumnyama bhuqe. Ngaphandle ke uma kukhona izinkanyezi, kukhona nenyanga isikhanyisela, kodwa ngalezi izikhathi wonke umuntu usuke sekekelela ngasekamelweni or egumbini lokulala. Ebusuku. Ebusuku. Please try and say it on your own. A sentence example is ebusuku kuyabanda. Ebusuku kuyabanda. It's cold at night. Now let's do a quick quiz just to test your knowledge and understanding of times of the day. Please try and practice on your own and see if you can still remember what morning, at noon, afternoon, evening, and night is in isiZulu. I'll give you a little bit of time and you can pause the video here to check and test yourself. So how did you do? Well done, you did it. So let's wrap up our lesson now. Morning is ekseni. At noon is emini. Afternoon is ntambama. Evening is kusihlwa. And night is ebusuku. Congratulations! Now you know how to say morning, at noon, afternoon, evening, and night in isiZulu. Now please let me know in the comments which time of the day is your favorite, and please say it in isiZulu. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more isiZulu lessons, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a lesson. Ngiyabonga. Thank you. Nisale kahle.